year's art workshop is an annual event which little kids will showcase their talents in arts and creativity and see practical ideas for the next generation. The mechanics for the workshop is simple. Parents or guardians have to donate to purchase any two of our salo-salo meals. They have to choose either the family, barkada, and the party package. After that, they will have the registration form and fill it up, plus the 800 peso fee for the marketing kit, which they will have it on the day of the workshop. It includes t-shirt, canvas, and aprons, and also the workers.
This year's workshop was different from the past few years since this year's activities became more challenging for the kids than before.
The environment of the workshop is pure enjoyment and fun because they are taught of the basics in arts, especially in drawing and painting. It is one way of helping them appreciate their creativity, their talent in arts, as well as honing their skills and appreciate themselves as creative individuals.
Thank you for joining this year's Da Vinci Siam Masters Partnership. Hoping to see you next year, and let's have another fun and laughter, especially activities in arts.
And we are planning to open two sets of art workshops in 2013, one on April at Parkmore branch, another one on May at Shopwise branch. So see you there!
Here only at Da Vinci's Pizza.